start with the great name of Almighty Allah, who is King of Kings. This is Mehta Mustaq from Department of BBA, Sindh University Campus, Ladkhana. This video presentation is for final exam, supervised by Sir Muhammad Ali Sheikh. My first topic is basic concept of Islam. Islam is the second largest religion in the world after Christianity, with about 1.8 billion Muslims worldwide, although its root go well further. Scholars typically date the creation of Islam to the 7th century, making it the youngest of the major world religions. Islam started in Mecca in modern day Saudi Arabia during the time of Prophet Muhammad life. Today, the faith is spreading rapidly throughout the world. Islam facts. The word Islam means submission to the will of God. Followers of Islam are called Muslim. Muslims are monotheistic and worship an all-knowing God, who in Arabic is known as Allah. Followers of Islam aim to live a life of complete submission to Allah. They believe that nothing happens without Allah's permission, but humans have free will. Islam teaches that Allah's word was revealed to Prophet Muhammad through the angel Jibreel. Muslims believe several prophets were sent to teach Allah's law. They respect for some prophets as Jews and Christians, including Ibrahim, Musa, Nuh. Jews is Muslim contend that Muslim was the final prophet. Mosques are places where Muslims worship. Some important Islamic holy places include the Kaaba, Shrine in Mecca, the Al-Aqsa Mosque in Jerusalem, and the Prophet Muhammad Mosque in Medina. Followers worship Allah by praying and reciting the Quran. They believe there will be a day of judgment and life after death. The concept of faith, Iman, the concept of pity, Taqwa, the concept of life, the concept of religion, the concept of sin. Concept of faith, Iman. Some people may think that the becomes a Muslim when he confuses belief in the oneness of the third God and in the Muhammad as the last messenger. But this is far from the full meaning of faith. The full meaning of faith in Islam is not by any means something nominal or more formality. Faith in Islam, instead of happiness acquired by the virtue of positive action and constructive conception, as well dynamic and effective measures. The Holy Quran and the tradition of Muhammad define these required measures and establish the standard which will be a meaningful faith. Thus, the believers are number first, those believe in God, His angels, and His books, and completed by the Quran, His messenger, with Muhammad being the last of them of all, the day of final judgment, the absolute knowledge and wisdom of God. Number two, those who trust God always and enjoy unshakable confidence in Him. Number third, those who spend in the way of God and of what He has given them in the of wealth, life, health, in knowledge, experience, and so on. Number four, those who observe their daily prayers regularly as well as weekly and annual congregations. Number five, those who pay their religions, taxes, alms, or zakah to the rightful beneficiaries, individual or institutions, the minimum of the which is 2.5% of the annual net income of the total value of stock of the business after discounting all experience credit. The concept of pity, taqwa. What has been said about faith and words are generally true of pity. Again, it is not matter of convenient claim and oral confessions. It is a much more serious. As always, the Quran is our best source, and when it speaks of the pious, is describe them as those who believe in your sin, which is taught by the word, are steadfast in prayer and spirit of what have provided for them, and who believe in the revelation and sent to Muhammad and sent before the hereafter. Of the hereafter, the concept of life. Life is a brilliant demonstration of God's wisdom and knowledge, a vivid reflection of His heart and power. He is the giver and creator of life. Nothing comes to existence by chance, and nobody created himself or anybody else. Life is a dear and cherishable asset, and no sensible or normal person would like to lose it by choice. Even those who feel too desperate and take their lives by committing slow suicide, trying the last minute to regain their existence and wish to capture a second chance to live. Life is a given to a man by God, and he is the holy and the only rightful one to take him back. No one else has the right to destroy a life. This is why Islam forbids all kind of suicide and self-destruction and recommends patience and good faith when a dear all passes. When a murderer is executed and a punishment, his life is taken away by the right of God and in accordance with His law. The concept of religion, the Islamic concept of religion, the unique in the broadest sense of the word. It is the true that genuine religion must come from God for the right guardian of the man, and it is the equally true that the human nature of the major human needs are basically the same or at all time. The conception leads to the conclusion, and that is there the only true religion coming from that the one and the same God to deal with the outstanding human problem all time. The concept of sin. One of the existing major problems areas of human, the problem of the sin or evil in the world. It is commonly believed in the sin started with Adam and Eve during their life in the Garden of Eden, that even lead to the fall and has ever since ordained the human race and guilt, stigma and bewilderment. The second topic, oneness of God. Tawheed is the most important Islamic belief. It implies that everything in existence originates from the dead one and only Creator, who is also sustainer and also sole resource of guardians. This belief should govern all aspects of human life. Recognition of this fundamental truth results in the unfailing view of the existence which rejects any division of life into religion or secular. Your Allah is one Allah. There is no Allah save Him and beneficial. He is the merciful. And Allah, all praise is due to Allah, who has not taken as can and who has not a partner in the kingdom. Allah is the sole source of power and authority, therefore entitled to worship and obedience from the mankind. There is no scope for the partnership with the Creator. So He tells man that Allah is not born, nor anyone born of Him. He has no son or daughter. Human beings or the subject linguistically. So He means to make something one, to assert the sense of oneness of something. Tawheed is the highest conception of deity, the existence which God has sent to mankind in all ages through His prophet. He cannot create even a leaf or a grain of insect, nor can He form a molecule of water without each expenditure effect, much expenditure effect which modern man does not wish to confess under a spell of modern technology. All natural events from the rising and setting of the sun to the movements of the atom which he seems satisfied to ascribe to natural laws, although they nominally exist in the place without his invention. Two proving things are preferred to the thousands of regarding to ordinary things. If two people agree on the same fact, denial of the by view of the thousands of people through their own narrow window has no significance. The proof of life. Life is a transparent enigma. Yes, it is too thought-provoking to be explained through visible causes, and it is the transparent sense and indicate the creative power. Yes, it will directly show and declares the creator. It is a magical case affair, fascinates scientists with his enigma and ordinary people with his transparency. Life virtually stated following with the tongue of disposition. It is only Allah that creates me and lets me exist. The proof of cleanness. The cleanness is the whole universe from the earth to the depth of the sky, informed about the being with his name Al-Quddus, true his names. Yes, the bacteria that clean the soil, insects, and among many birds, prey, wind, rain, snow, iceberg in the sea, and the fish atmosphere in the space plate, all in the sky, oxygen cleaning, that the blood in your body, spiritual breezes that free our spirit from trouble, inform about the name Al-Quddus and holy being behind the name. The proof of face. The face of man does not resemble fully the face of any of the billions of the people that lived before him and many means. This rule is also valid for the people to come in the future, drawing billions of pictures, which one similar to the aspect but different in other aspect in a very small area and disconfirming each one of the from billions of the picture that are impossible to be the light and putting everything in the form of within endless ways of possibility in a strong declaration of Almighty, who knows in a detail every being that he created whose power knowledge in the enough to shape that begin in any to the people who are deep. You creating the organ in the face differently from the organs of the other faces, equipping each eye with a future distinction from the other eye will show everybody who has concise the being who created them, equipped them with endless wisdom. The proof of Quran. All the existence, all the evidence proving the Quran is the word of Allah also prove the existence of Allah Almighty. There are hundreds of evidence proving that the Quran is the word of Allah, and they are explained in the detail in the sources of the Quran regarding the issue. We refer the proof of issue to make those work. Yes, all the evidence said with the tongue be clear to them Allah exists. The proof of prophet. All the evidence providing the prophet of prophet and especially the prophet of Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam should be also among the evidence indicating Allah Almighty. For the purpose of existence of prophet is oneness that is declared the existence and oneness of Allah. The evidence proving the prophethood of each prophet also prove the existence of Allah Almighty. Logical proof of existence of Allah. Number first, if a carriage is drawn by another carriage who is drawing the first one, then there should be a creator for this universe. Number two, even a letter cannot exist without a writer. How can we imagine humans and universe to be without an owner? In addition, any master of anything is not the same kind of the thing that the makes. For example, the master of watch does not resemble of the watch, and they are written not like the letters as the creator who created should not resemble as the universe. Number three, will negative the existence of Allah relieve us on the contrary. This understanding will send us down to deep abyss by for what, how, and for whom do we live? What happens to us to our death? If there is another life, where can we find the correspondence of the sense of unity and desire for living forever? In that case, why have these senses been given to us? Third topic, angels. An angel is a supernatural being in various Mediterranean religion. Abrahamic religion often depicts them as a benevolent celestial intermediarian between God or heaven and the humanity. Other roles includes protectors and the guides of other human and the servant of the God. Abraham religion describe angelic hierarchies which vary with the religion. Some angels have the scientific names such as Jibril or Mikael, or titles such as Seraph and Archangel. Humans have also used angel to describe various spirits and figures in other religious traditions. The theological study of angels in the human angelology. Those expelled from heaven are called the fallen angels, distinct from the heavenly host. Their duties include facilitation to life path, soul, contract, order within the natural world, and much more. They also act as a bridge to help the receive wisdom and divine inspiration. They are 15, so are archangels and who are called as a time for assistance. Israel, whom God helps, his energy and calm and patience described as the angel of death in Hebrew and Islamic tradition. Israel lovingly guides deported soul to heaven. He then consoled behaved families and friends to help them heal from grief. Jibril, messenger of God. Some faith consider Jibril to be male, while others perceive her as feminine. Her ultimate gift is to pass message from God. This is why her name appears in different holy books. She is closely aligned with child rearing pregnancy. Jeremiah, mercy of God. His duty is to help souls review their life of earth. He does not pass judgment but will be naturally honest so people can learn from their mistake. He wants you to see the light of the situation so you can plan your positive charge. Be kind. He who is like God. He is described in several sacred texts to possess great strength, power, and courage. Thus became the patron saint of police officers. He is called upon frequently for spiritual protection and cleaning. He can release you from your fear and doubt. Raphael, Raphael, he who heals. He is known as to help all creatures of God, not just human. He promotes greater health, helping with found inner and outer healing. He guides those who heal others to physicians and nurses, even spiritual practitioners. Fourth topic, symbols, signs, impact of Day of Judgment. Judgment. Yom Deen is the day of judgment when Allah will decide how people will spend their afterlife. Most Muslims believe that they are free will to make their own choice. They also believe that they will be judged by the God for those who they recognize that humans are still responsible for their action. When God's purpose for the universe has been fulfilled, the world will be destroyed. When the world ends, Israfil will sound a trumpet and there will be a resurrection. All the dead bodies will be raised and will gather on the plain of the Arafat for the final judgment. When the bodies are raised from the dead, they will be the next dead. Nothing can be hidden. They will be also given their own book of deeds. They will be taken the turn of read aloud from their books so that nothing can be hidden. In Islam, everyone, even non-Muslim, will be the judge on their good and deed. Muslim believe a set of scale will balance good deeds and bad deeds. Muslim believe a set of scale will be used at the day of judgment, balancing good bad deeds for the one whose scale are heavy with good deeds. The idea of judgment, day of judgment, encourage Muslims to their lives to good way. That they try to pass the test of life and take responsibility of their action whether good or bad. Muslims can also ask for forgiveness and they recognize that nutrition is important. For example, if a person carries out the action become they trade the result to be a good but the outcome is unexpectedly bad, a good deed will still have been active as the intention was good. The arrival of Imam Mahdi. Imam Mahdi, the Prophet ﷺ said the following lives, one of my descendants created by Allah will come prior to the end of world. His name will be the name as mine and father's name will be the same as my father's name. The world will be the full of cooperation and tyranny before his the visit, but his time will be the forgiveness. Fairness, the angel from the cloud from the above the head will say that this is Mahdi, listen to what he said. He will fight against different enemies of Islam and develop the system of justice around the world. Before the arrival, there will have so much injustice, bad things, killing of Muslim, and overall existence of good action will be destroyed by the evil doers. Number two, Dajjal will come. The most obvious and common sign that the most people are told is the arrival of Dajjal. When the will arrive, he will proclaim himself of the God. Anyone who trusts him will on the infidel. The question arises, why would people trust him when they are being guided about him? They are the finat of Dajjal, words where the test of the population are the said in the way that world automatically accept that the fact that a God forbid Dajjal will have the power that he could order to cloud the rain and the earth to grow vegetation, and the power will make believe in God, which reality would be the false signals. Number third, the descendants of Jesus. When Dajjal has arrived and is claiming to the God, the descendant of Prophet Jesus will happen. The one would then the fight with Dajjal and kill him. Also, he will destroy the cross, rescue Muslims from the Yajuj and Majuj and take them to the mountain of the Torah. According to Jews, the Prophet was killed and did not happen as Allah saved him and raised him to the heavens. His arrival with shouting for those who had been believing in wrong. Number 4, the emergence of Yajuj and Majuj. There are many emergence of Yajuj and Majuj. They are locked inside a wall. There is a story related to their existence. Hazrat Ibrahim alayhi salam, there was a just king named Zulkarnain, and he would travel around the globe and conquer many countries. On the visit to the north, people and him about the hostile tribes, Ogmog and requested to them to break the farm tribes. So Zulkarnain built up their iron wall so they couldn't penetrate until the dominancy. So doomsday, they will be able to break the wall and come appear after the people. Hazrat Isa will narrated by the earth save people from their war, wrath and danger. Number 5, the smoke will appear. The Quran says, wait for the day when smoke appear from the sky. According to Hadith, the smoke will come from the sky and will cover all the world for 14 days. It is said that the smoke will be like a chill for the believers but will give a hard time to non-believers. Now there are a lot of precipitation and what actually smoke will be the light. The most common assumption is environmental pollution or an automatic explosion. Whatever the case may be, the result may be the signs of the day of judgment. Number 6, the emergence of beast. The emergence of the beast is confirmed as Allah says in the Quran, and when is the word of torment. Torment is fulfilled against them, we shall be bring out from the earth a beast for them to speak them, because mankind believe not certainly in sign. The beast is to set a holistic Musa for believers, and if they are really believers, their faces will be shine and the light for the non-believers. He will hold the seal of Suleiman, and when it will touch the non-believer, their face will be darkened, including shade of hair. Number 7, the sun will rise from the west. On the major sign of the Umayyah, the rising of the sun from the west, which is setting place, narrated by Abu Hurairah. The Prophet said that it not come until the sun has risen from the west, and when it rises, people shout it. All believers will to person no good to believe if he believe not before nor and goodbye profound death of ideas. There are different interpretations of the hadith and the sign of the time. Some believe how can something happen which Allah has already mentioned cannot be changed, while others the rising of the sun from the west, present and upside down orders of the world. Number 8, landslides. 3 major landslides will happen. One in the east are in one in the west and one in the Arabia. The Prophet ﷺ heard saying that when these regions will reach the peak of level of immorality and evil behaviors, only then the sign will appear. Some believe that there will be earthquake and not landslide. The most common belief of the natural disaster will cause the regions to sink, resulting to killing peoples. Number 9. The fire will begin. The major sign of the Day of Judgment is the eruption of the fire from the direction of the Yemen, from the bottom of Aden, from the sea of Hadramaut, according to Hudayfa ibn Sayyid. The Prophet ﷺ was heard saying, the last of them will be a fire which will emerge from Yemen and will die. The people of love are gathering. But then the Kaaba will be destroyed by Allah. Ibn Amir, Prophet ﷺ said, Dhul Sumayyatin from Ibn Sina will destroy the Kaaba and steal the treasure and Kiswa. It is as if I could see him. He is a bald-headed and has to distortion in his wrist. He will strike the Kaaba when Allah will take away the Quran from the earth. His will the good people to protect them from the last who believe in the Day of Judgment. The Muslim believe that the Day of Judgment, Muhammad will be judged for the action in the life. Those who followed the God guardians will be rewarded with paradise. Those who rejected God guardians will be punished with hell. Importance of Day of Judgment. Belief in the Day of Judgment. Muslim believe that on the Day of Judgment, humans will be judged for their action in the life. Those who followed God's guardians will be rewarded with paradise. Those who rejected God's guidance will be punished with hell. Thanks.